is Vashell and welcome back to my life. Today we are headed to another waterfall. I am collaborating with Life with Bree here on YouTube as well as Lavish Country Girl Kira, and we are headed to the north of the island. We're going to Owia and we're going to enjoy one of the waterfalls that they have up there. I should mention today though that, well, Jason is on his way there. We don't have a lot of time, so we are not able to cook at the site. So we will be making a pit stop in the community of Georgetown, and hopefully we can pick something up there to eat. Yeah. Okay guys, so we have picked up Bree. I told you guys that Bree is coming along with us today. So we are on the way. We're late. But remember I said that we have to stop in Georgetown to get something to eat. What do you feel like eating?
I have no idea. I want chicken. That's what I live for.
Chicken. So subscribe to Bree's channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, and the exact name will also be here on the screen. So we just have one more person to pick up, which is Lavish Country Girl Kira, and then we get to go for some waterfall action. Okay, so we have made it to Georgetown. Georgetown, also known as Sugar City. I got some food from this, street food place a little while ago. Let me get the lighting. Yeah. So I got some food from a street food place a few weeks ago, and it was really good. It was P.O. So that's where I want to go and check to see what they have today. In all honesty, like, I would love some soup, but I'll take whatever.
Hi, Angel.
So we're going over there to that pink shop.
Angel.
Hello, hi. I swear, Jason always look for money. I feel like you want to be in it.
No.
I feel like, yeah, you want to be in it. So, hi.
Hi. What's going on?
I'm good, thank you.
Where are you from?
From St. Vincent. Okay, so we are here and they have P.O, chunks and rice. Hold on. P.O, chunks and rice, stew turkey, curry chicken, honey barbecue chicken, turkey boiled up. I feel like no, don't tell me the turkey boiled up though.
I don't like turkey.
I just wanted some sauce. Some sauce.
Because you don't want no rice, you want something to go down.
Yeah, I wanted some sauce. What is the name of your
Establishment.
Bob's restaurant. That's where we are. I did have some really good P.O here, as I was telling you guys a few weeks ago. Jason, what are you thinking?
What are you eating?
I wanted the turkey boiled up, but they don't have that.
What do you want to do? Curry chicken?
No, I want the curry chicken. Maybe you have this stew turkey? Oh, that finished too, she said. You know what? Maybe just the P.O. I'll go. The P.O was good the last time, so you can't go wrong with P.O. So let's just do the P.O. So I'll have that. Your phone, yeah. Bree and Jason's getting stew chicken, Bree getting honey barbecue chicken. The sides sound really, really good. So I'm like having second thoughts, but she's already sharing out my P.O, so I'm just gonna go with the P.O, and if need be, I just take some of Jason's food. That's like girlfriend privileges.
I'm of Vincent. Of course, when the doctor tells me to stay at home and rest, I'm on my way to Owia.
Yeah. Look your foot. She ain't telling no lie. She literally hopping. I lie. She ain't hopping, but she should be home.
At least not anymore.
Ooh, look at that. More importantly, look at the quantity. There's no way you can get all this food in town for $10. Insane. So if you want food, please come out to the countryside.
Voilà, in a break.
So Jason got his curry chicken.
No, man, I'll see you in a break.
Yum yum. Yum yum. And Bree got her honey barbecue. Yeah.
Chicken looks delicious. Y'all already know that's what I live for. Chicken. Can't wait to bite it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Have a good day.
I was saying it's like
No, it's after. So we're going into Triple R Mini Mart. I think I saw this in somebody's video. Are we allowed to film? We don't know. Hello. Oh wow, there's like everything in here. I see braids. Like everything. So it's a beauty supply slash supermarket. Yeah, that's literally everything. Everything. Over here.
That's be ridiculous.
Look at what she buy. A whole heap of junk food, like, of course.
I'm starting to believe I can make a change in my reality. And you, the one I looked up to, is no longer a thing I need in my life. I wish you were.
Okay, so we have made it to Owia, and we are being hosted today by Lavish Country Girl Kira. Me hope she met me last enough. How far is the walk?
5 minutes. It's better this.
5 minutes. Okay, I love a 5-minute hike. I love a 5-minute walk. The shorter the better. But I'm really excited. This is my first time. I've been watching all of her videos, so you guys should definitely go ahead and check out her videos. Subscribe. The link will be in the description box below. And I've just been dying to come up here, and I'm so happy that I finally get the chance to, and it's a beautiful day, and I know we're going to have a really great time. Bree just convinced me that we should have our lunch at yes you did, at the Owia Salt Pond instead of the waterfall. So I tell you, we're just making this up as we go. So we're about to start the hike, the 5-minute hike. I'm telling you, we love a short hike. So yeah, let's go. I'm so excited.
Why I looking for go this way and the road is down?
You gonna get lost today, and you know your foot ain't good, so you better stick close. So we just walked through the old arrowroot factory here in Owia. Let me show you, because how okay, because I wanted to go over there. You take that.
No, I'm gonna make it. Within all that week.
Did you just see the tightrope that I just did? Yeah, I know. Take your time. Take your time. the truth. Wow.
So we're going now. I'll come back up to the camera. That was kind of want me to run. Go down there. You need help? Where we walk here, sir? Funny rock. Oh my God. I think it's easier to come down here. Okay. You made it.
I wish you peace. I hope that we'll find harmony. I wish you good. I wish you well. I hope that this is our farewell. I wish you well. Ooh, 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 ooh. I knew I had to make a change, discovering my light just outside of your shade. And you, doing the things you do, try to dim the thing that makes me me. I wish you well, I wish you peace. I hope that we'll find harmony. I wish you good, I wish you well. I hope that this is our farewell. I made up my mind this time. I'm done with your lies this time. I think I'm numb to it. I'm outgrowing the stretch. I think I'm finally in the space. To say I wish you well, I wish you peace. I hope they will find harmony. I wish you good, I wish you well. I hope that this is our farewell. Yeah.
Oh my God, the water is crisp, cool, refreshing. I love that, like in this little section, it's just sand, there are no stones, and like I can literally stand. Like this is where I am, I can literally stand. Woo! Let me ask Miss Lavish Country Girl how she live here and she don't come here every day. If I lived here, oh my God, I would be every single day. Every single day. Exactly, every single day. Wow.
When I came to wash my hair, but then
Oh wow, this is so nice. This is good.
Wait, Vashell, you been a salon?
Huh?
You been a salon?
If I don't know?
You been a salon?
No.
You haven't really seen about this, so
No, we're not being a salt pan.
I'll be able to do waterfall. So Vashell soap around the edge door.
Oh, it's so, oh my God, it's so nice. To see here, dry girl, you're missing out. You're missing out.
I'm starting to believe I can make a change in my reality. And you, the one I looked up to, is no longer a thing I need in my life. I wish you well. I wish you peace. I hope that we'll find harmony. I wish you good. I wish you well. I hope that this is our farewell. I wish you well. Ooh, 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 ooh. I knew I had to make a change, discovering my light just outside of your shade. And you, doing the things you do, try to dim the thing that makes me me. I wish you well. I wish you peace. I hope that we'll find.
Okay, so I'm done with bathing, and as you can see, some other people just got here because I think this is like a hot spot. Like, it's so beautiful. If I lived here, you would not be able to drag me out of this water. Hi. Yeah. So, yeah. So we are headed now to the Owia St. Oh, that wasn't planned for me, so you guys are getting some bonus footage today. That was so good. That was so good. Yay, so we made it back down and we are now at the, I mean, I'm talking about back down as if it's far. It's literally not far. It's all in the same community. But we are now at the Owia Salt Pond / recreational park, I think. So we're going to eat here. So it's a mini picnic. All we have is the food that we bought in Georgetown. It is an entrance fee of $5. All of the parks have the same entrance fee. And yeah, I see one of the the shops on the compound is open. Do I have to go up here or can I come through here? Thank you. Just push. Thank you. Let me show you. See? No, the lady said you can come through here. Yeah, so they're like washroom facilities and gazebos and a big park where the kids can run up and down at their leisure. Hi. Okay guys, so this is the lovely attendant here at the Owia Salt Pond. Can you tell us your name, please?
Jasmine Lavin.
Jasmine Lavin. Hi Jasmine. Hi. Jasmine, today looks kind of slow, but which day is normally the busiest day?
Holidays like Easter and yeah, before I hear you coming.
March.
March.
National Heroes Day.
National Heroes Day. Only on holidays.
Only on holidays.
Sundays.
And
they celebrate.
Sundays. Okay. Very good. Nice. But it's nice and quiet for us today.
Yes.
Thank you. So we have the food that we bought in Georgetown. I have a new juicy because my other one was hot. So I asked the lady at the vending kiosk if she could switch it out for me, which she did. And we have some apples that we bought at Massey. And Kira and Bree over there getting their content. But I got what I came here to get, and I did what I came here to do. This is extra. I love it. So it's eat time. Go ahead, Jason, eat. let me get, go ahead, Jason, eat and tell us if you like your food.
Yeah.
And this is my pilau. I'm so sorry that I forgot to put some pepper on it. You know I can't live without pepper.
And some okra and thing, nice.
Yeah, okra. Ew. My pilau was $10 and Jason's curry chicken was 12. Was 12. Really affordable in terms of like food here in St. Vincent, especially when you compare it to Kingstown. That would be $30 at Massey. I'm not even telling you any lies. Yeah. Guys, what is the name of the place? Forbes. Forbes give me more chicken than rice. Literally more chicken than rice. For $10, this is amazing. So whenever you are in Georgetown, buy your food by Forbes. Just come in. I literally almost done eat my food. I've been here for half an hour and them the day over there making TikToks.
We doing it. Ooh, we're late to dinner. All the best.
And it's the end of another beautiful day, and I hope another amazing video for you guys. Thank you so much for joining me on today's adventure. This collaboration with Life with Bree and Lavish Country Girl Kira was everything. Thank you, Kira, for hosting us in your community of Owia. The links to their channel will be in the description box below, and I cannot wait to see what we get up to next. So if you are interested and you want to join the family and you want to go on all these amazing adventures with me, then definitely click that subscribe button, comment and let me know what you want to see me do next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.